Hey friends, if you wish to uninstall the Photos app on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, here's one thing that you should know in this context, that the Photos app is the primary photo viewer app for Windows computers, and uninstalling it can be a problem. Okay, so this part apart, you can uninstall it through the PowerShell window, through the PowerShell command. So I have a command here. All we need to do is copy it. I will share it in the description section of the video, and search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar. Then click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. It may have that administrator prompt. Just click on yes if you encounter it. Paste it here and hit enter, and the Photos app is gone. Let me show you. Okay, so the Photos app is no longer here. Now, if you want it back, then simply search for Store in the Windows search bar and go to the Microsoft Store. Search for Photos and hit enter, and then go to Microsoft Photos and then select Install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.